look at what they do. There's no way I'm ever going to do that. Or two, it's going to give them the wrong expectation of what chiropractic truly is about. They're going to see that. They're going to think that's what a normal visit looks like. And then they're going to go to probably a normal chiropractor. And it's not going to be anything like that. And so they're going to have this battle in their head of, well, this is what I saw. This is what it's supposed to be. This is what my chiropractor does this. My chiropractor does that. And blah, 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 blah. I hate it. God, I hate it.